today we have Mrs. Annie Munjal Kharbanda. Emphasis on Mrs. because her Instagram bio says that she is on a mission to empower grateful marriages.
So I'm living it. I'm living my teenage dream right now after marriage. तो वहाँ पे my mother-in-law had also come and कहती बेटा आपने कहा था कि आप अपनी marriage manifest कर रहे हो. Are you seeing someone? I'm like no, I'm not. And she immediately takes out a phone and shows me. While I was manifesting a partner,
She was manifesting you. You call him Ishji.
I call him Ishji.
Wow, that's so cute.
That's why I said grateful marriages, you know.
I don't want to ask people to give me money, but I just want it. ऐसा कोई तरीका है.
जैसे आप सब लोगों ने देखा ना, इनके पास कोई आंसर नहीं था. सपने का मतलब होता है रोल्स रॉयस.
यार मैंने गलत एग्जांपल दे दिया.
I don't know how this happened.
You wanted to be on this
हाँ,
podcast?
मतलब I love this.
Yay! Comment करना मत भूलना बस. Hello and welcome to my very own podcast, The Adhiraj Sethi Circle. My name is Adhiraj Sethi and today's guest represents the new wave of gratitude voices in India. Young, grounded, yet deeply connected to ancient wisdom. She is the daughter of Miss Ashmeen Munjal, yet she is carving her own unique path in the world of gratitude healing, manifestation, and law of attraction. Whether it's attracting the right people, letting go of fears, or healing your inner child, please welcome Mrs. Annie Munjal Kharbanda because she teaches it in a way that Gen Z actually relates to. So if you've ever asked yourself, why am I manifesting but nothing showing up? Is my energy blocking me from receiving money, love, or success? Or how do I become magnetic in my 20s? This episode is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You guys know the drill. Let's dive right into it. Hello and welcome to my very own podcast, The Adhiraj Sethi Circle. My name is Adhiraj Sethi, and today we have Mrs. Annie Munjal Kharbanda. Emphasis on Mrs. because her Instagram bio says that she is on a mission to empower grateful marriages. Let's just start with that, ma'am. What does that mean, and what are your goals for this mission?
So, what I feel the reason why this came in my life is because a lot of times, especially my peer group, my friends, or even seniors to me, वो स्कूल में ना emphasize करते थे मेरे को ऐसी शादी करनी है, wedding सबके goals होते थे,
Yeah.
but marriage कैसी होनी चाहिए है ना.
Yeah.
Life is not just about a 3-day big fat party.
Yeah.
It's about what you do after.
हाँ जी.
And it's like school पूरा निकाल दिया, सब कुछ पढ़ लिया, but there's no guideline on how it's about 50% or more than 50% of your life
It's very important.
you're going to spend
Yeah.
with that person, but पता ही नहीं है करना क्या है,
Mhm.
क्या नहीं है.
Mhm.
किसी से पूछ लो अरे 7 फेरे क्या थे, what do they mean, nobody knows about it. किसी से पूछ लो अच्छा how do you intend to be in this relationship called marriage, पता ही नहीं है. हाँ जो होगा देखा जाएगा. So I feel gratitude as a practice in itself has really transformed what marriages could be for me, what lifelong companionship could be for me. And I feel ये एक इतनी बड़ी blessing है जो हर इंसान अगर अपने जीवन में टैप करना सीख जाए,
Hmm.
it is like an untapped potential, you could say.
Okay.
And if you do it, every other area of your life would be like balle balle to say.
Okay.
You know, whether it is then you have goals in your career, or you have goals in your health, or you have goals in your money, you know that you have somebody that's going to be by your side as a very solid support structure.
Fair.
But this can only come in once you understand the rules
Okay.
of the game, the do's and don'ts of the game. And this game is so beautifully and can be beautifully designed, but people, I feel there's a lot of lack of awareness, lack
Hmm.
of knowledge about it. So I
Hmm.
think that is when I say my mission and my vision is to not just me, my husband also. That's a whole story in itself, which
Yeah.
we'll talk about as we proceed further. That
Yeah.
gratitude has transformed what I thought who I am, what my husband thought who he was, and then together as a couple who we are. So I feel simple है, सब कर
You
लेंगे.
have his name in your Instagram username as well, right?
Yeah.
Is that a part of this gratitude function that you
No,
are?
that's just
Okay.
something I like it.
Okay, fair.
No, it's
So
not
let's
necessary.
just start now from the beginning. we all know Ashmeen ma'am and how big she is into spiritualism, gratitude, and being her daughter. How did you get into spiritualism? It could be natural in some ways, but a lot of times there are kids in our generation who are rebellious to what their parents do and don't want to do what they are doing. They want to do something completely different. But
Absolutely.
you are taking her work forward. You are taking her vision forward. Why are you doing this, and how did this come to your mind, and how did you get into spiritualism? Tell
So
me about that.
firstly, I don't agree with that.
Okay.
उनका कोई मिशन नहीं है जो मैं आगे लेके
Okay.
जा रही हूँ. मेरे पर्सनल फायदे हो रहे हैं.
Okay.
कोई भी इंसान कोई भी काम इसलिए करता है क्योंकि उनका खुद का फायदा हो रहा होता है.
Okay.
So
ठीक है.
firstly, let's clear that out.
Okay.
ठीक
Okay.
है. And secondly, I would never say that my mother has ever tried to impose anything on me. Like
Yeah.
कि मैं अगर मंदिर जा रही हूँ तो तुम्हें भी जाना है, या मैं
Okay.
अगर गुरुद्वारे जा रही हूँ तो तुमने गुरुद्वारे में मत्था टेकना है. Like
हाँ.
she has actually given me the liberty कि तुम जाओ,
हाँ.
अपने आप को एजुकेट करो, देखो तुम्हें क्या पसंद आ रहा है, तुम्हें क्रिश्चियनिटी पसंद आ रही है, तुम्हें ये पसंद. सो नॉट जस्ट रिलीजियस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू
Fair.
रियली, बट आई रिमेम्बर फ्रॉम अ वेरी यंग एज शी न्यू कि जो स्कूल में सीख रहे हैं इज नॉट सफिशिएंट टू ग्रो एज एन इंडिविजुअल. तो मुझे याद है जब कहते हैं ना जब आप छोटे होते हो तो आप एक कच्चा घड़ा होते हो. सो शी स्टार्टेड मोल्डिंग मी बाय, मतलब मुझे उन्होंने ऐसे प्रोफेशनल प्रोग्राम्स कराए, जैसे एक लैंडमार्क एजुकेशन नाम से कोर्स है. तो
Okay.
मैंने 12 साल की उम्र में करा, जहाँ पे वो आपको अपने आप को स्कैन करना सिखाते हैं कि who I am and what do I want for myself, and you know,
Okay.
देन यू रियलाइज कि मुझे दूसरों की कही बातें ही अपने जीवन में नहीं उतारनी है. आई कैन चूज टू क्रिएट माई लाइफ. कभी अपसेट हो जाओ तो उससे ओवरकम कैसे करना है. सो आई फील फ्रॉम अ वेरी यंग एज माई लॉजिक्स वर सेटिस्फाइड.
Okay.
एंड when anything is logically कोई समझाता है कि इसका क्या फायदा है, क्या नुकसान है, तो मैं एक अगर रैशनल ह्यूमन बीइंग हूँ तो आई विल मेक द चॉइस यू नो व्हिच विल बी इन माय फायदा.
Yeah.
how we learn.
So how is this
So,
benefiting you? This
the
spiritual. Yeah. No.
I'm going to get to that.
Okay.
I'm going to get to that.
Okay.
So the reason why I'm saying, so मैंने ये सीखा 12 साल में, फिर 15 साल, until a good time I was learning and learning and learning. So मैंने आई वॉज इन 5th क्लास, आई थिंक अप्रोक्सीमेटली दैट टाइम. तो मैं बहुत एवरेज स्टूडेंट थी, मतलब मेरे B- C भी आ जाते थे तो मैं खुश थी.
Okay.
सो बट उसके बाद जब मैंने इस जो भी मैंने सीखा वहां पे उसको मैंने अप्लाई करा अपने मार्क्स के अंदर. अब 6th क्लास में मैं ये नहीं कि ओवरऑल एकदम से बहुत होशियार बन गई,
Okay.
बट बिकॉज आई लर्न समथिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक चलो अब स्कॉलर बनने में इसको अप्लाई करते हैं. एंड आउट ऑफ नोवेयर द नेक्स्ट ईयर आई बिकेम दैट. सो व्हेन आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड कि कुछ महान नहीं करना है in order to achieve extraordinary results, it is this very small shift that you need to bring in yourself or who you are, and that creates extraordinary results. So I was like, ये तो आसान है.
हाँ.
नहीं तो आई वुड सी माई कजन्स, आई वुड सी माई फ्रेंड्स रात रात तक पढ़ी जा रहे हैं, सुबह सुबह तक पढ़ी जा रहे हैं, भगवान जाने क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, बट तब भी उनके मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, तब भी दे डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू विद लाइफ. एंड आई वाज लाइक यार ये तो बहुत इजी है, मतलब. एंड देन दिस वाजंट लाइक एक बार हो
What
गया तो
was
मैं मान गई.
what was this change? This was manifestation.
This was not through the book that we do now, the
Okay.
magic book, but this was another education I did,
Okay.
which taught in its own shapes and forms, and you know, मतलब
Okay.
थोड़ा यहाँ से सुन लिया, थोड़ा यहाँ से सुन लिया,
Okay.
थोड़ा ये अप्लाई कर लिया, थोड़ा वो
But
अप्लाई कर
overall,
लिया.
this was manifestation or law
It
of
was
attraction.
it was
Okay.
about that. It was
Okay.
about releasing, knowing how to basically dismantle my thoughts which are not good for me
Yeah.
and assemble thoughts which are good for me,
Okay.
and to keep myself kind of knowing where I'm headed ahead in life.
Acha, tell me one thing. You have seen Ashmeen ma'am, your mother, do so much work in this field.
Yeah.
How are you taking spiritualism in a different way, or how do you grasp spiritualism that might be a little different from your mom?
So I feel I am my own unique self. So spirituality, firstly, what is in that? What's that for me? Spirituality is simple. Like what I understand of it is कि Annie is more than this body, Annie is more than these clothes, Annie is more than the family she is in,
Okay.
Annie is more than her bank balance, and
Yeah.
Annie is more. So I've done a lot to understand कि हाँ यार ये छोटी छोटी चीजें ये तो सब बढ़िया है, but I am more than that.
Yeah.
And that is spirituality for me. It's not religious in nature for me. It's not like if I go to Gurudwara, I'm spiritual or something like that.
Okay.
Of course, I like doing it because positive feel hota hai.
Huh.
Simple. It's
Yeah.
as much as that.
Yeah.
So spirituality in that nature is for me. But what I understand of it is that everything according to my experience now, like last 5-6 years regularly since I've been doing the assignments that I do,
Hmm.
I have innumerous testimonials of my life कि अब मैं अगर सिर्फ अपने ऊपर काम करती हूँ किसी भी एरिया को लेके,
Hmm.
लाइक मैं अपने ऊपर काम करती हूँ, मैं अपने माइंडसेट के ऊपर काम करती हूँ, मैं अपने वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट लाइफ पे अगर काम करती हूँ, मुझे उसके इंस्टेंट आउटर इफेक्ट्स मिलते हैं.
Okay.
Whether it was me manifesting my marriage, whether
Okay.
it is मेरी किसी के साथ लड़ाई हो गई है but I work on myself,
Hmm.
लड़ाई डिसअपियर हो जाती है. Whether
Okay.
it is मुझे इतने यहाँ पे घूमने जाना है, कोई दूर दूर तक प्लान नहीं है.
Hmm.
I work on myself, I do the practice I do at the energy level of myself. Out of nowhere vacation का प्लान बन जाता है उसी जगह पे जहाँ मुझे जाना था, and that thing materializes. So
Okay.
that's when I understand that there's really nothing outside of me that's happening. It's all where I am, and I think this is how I'm
So
still figuring
all
out.
of this requires a lot of belief in the first place. Am I right?
Belief builds over time.
Yeah, but I want to know your first time that you felt like, okay, this is something I can start believing in, or I want to be a part of this process. What was that first time for you?
So I think that was when I first read the magic book.
Okay.
So it is like a 30-day practice I do. So the first time I read it, मुझे कोई भरोसा नहीं था कि कोई बुक पढ़ने से मेरे सपने पूरे हो जाएंगे.
Hmm.
It did not make sense at all. So the
That's
belief,
how it starts for everyone.
yeah, so the
Yeah.
belief parameter that you're talking about did not exist at that time.
Okay.
And but I was like, ठीक है, कोई नहीं. Like I was doing a course. My sir at that time had told me about it. So I was like, might as well give it a shot.
Hmm.
And I did the whole thing once. You know, you have different chapters कि चलो relationships में, health में. तो तब छोटे छोटे magics तो दिख रहे थे कि चलो यहाँ पे अभी मम्मी ने मुझे डांट दिया तो चलो ये assignment करी तो मम्मी automatically प्यार करने लग गई. You know,
Okay.
so when you see the small things
हाँ
कि
जी.
अभी यहाँ पे मैं इतने समय से बोल रही थी काम कर दो, आई वाज मेकिंग मी नेगेटिव. मैंने असाइनमेंट करी, खुद ब खुद मुझे वहां से मैसेज आ गया कि आपका ये काम हो चुका है. तो मुझे छोटे बिलीव्स मिलने स्टार्ट हुए कि कुछ तो है जो काम हो रहा है.
अच्छा.
एंड देन लकीली कोविड हैपेंड.
Hmm.
लाइक आई वाज द काइंड ऑफ गर्ल कोविड में कि मैंने था मैं 12 बजे से पहले मुझे मत उठाना प्लीज.
Okay.
मेरे को इन कामों में मुझे नहीं करने, मुझे अपनी नींद पूरे करने दो, उसके बाद इसकी बात करेंगे.
Okay.
But then whatever be the reason, मैं 7 बजे उठना शुरू हुई, फिर 7 के कब 5 बज गए. I
Hmm.
don't know. Like we started having these free magic book classes there. And then the sessions kept on happening and सुनती गई, प्रैक्टिस करती गई, सुनती गई, प्रैक्टिस करती गई, सुनती गई. कोविड में तो बहुत सारा टाइम भी था.
Okay.
तो बहुत अमेजिंग. लाइक जब सब लोग घर पे बैठे हुए थे, मैंने कहा अच्छा अगर ये बुक सचमुच काम करती है तो मुझे एक साल में जैसे 12 महीने होते हैं तो मैं 12 छुट्टियों पे जाना चाहती हूँ कोविड के बीच में.
And you manifested that.
आई मैनिफेस्टेड दैट कि चलो गेम की तरह खेलते हैं.
हाँ.
तो मैंने लिखा 12 छुट्टियां, तो वो 12 की 15 हो गई. मैंने कहा वाह.
Work trips.
I don't know how this happened.
Okay.
It wasn't work trips. like मम्मी के साथ यहाँ चले गए, किसी ने वहां बुला लिया,
Okay.
फार्म हाउस बुक करा लिया. I don't know how it
Okay.
happened, and I was
Okay.
like, this is brilliant.
Okay.
Like if I am doing,
Yeah.
so it's like you know how you cook something.
Hmm.
It's got a step 1, step 2, step 3.
Yeah.
You can't go to step 3 without step 1.
Yeah.
Same to same इसमें होता है.
Okay.
So I feel, but most of the people they don't know what is the procedure for it.
हाँ.
तो वो कहीं पे भी हाथ पैर मारते रहते हैं, कभी तुक्के से सपने पूरे हो जाते हैं,
हाँ.
बट अदरवाइज कहते हैं हाँ अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है पर मेरे लिए काम नहीं करता.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
think that's where
By the
that
way,
is.
for the viewers, Annie ma'am is just 27 years old. So ऐसा नहीं है that you know she is not part of Gen Z. She's a little away only, like 2-3 years.
Millennials में आ गई हो.
Millennials में आती है ma'am. But looking at you, I feel like so fresh. Like there's such a fresh perspective coming towards spirituality from your end, and I feel like you are also still on the path of learning and exploring, and you're finding your way. But my question is, let's say I'm also 20 years old and a lot of the viewers will be 20 years old. They face a lot of stress in their 20s, you know, thinking that they have to have it all in their 20s. They have to get a good job, they have to get married, they have to get settled, etc., etc., etc. How has spirituality helped you in that domain
So
to calm you down?
I would correct you.
Okay.
Let's replace the word spirituality with gratitude.
Okay, sorry.
That'll be nice.
Fair.
ठीक है. And I understand what you're saying. मेरे को तो अभी भी होता है
हाँ.
कि यार ये काम नहीं करा, ये काम नहीं करा, ये काम नहीं करा, इतना बनना है, वो बनना है. And I
Yeah.
think all that credit goes to social media also.
Yeah.
कि आसपास देखते हो, देखो इसने ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया, तुम
Exactly.
क्या कर रहे हो?
Exactly.
So I have actually deleted my Instagram and my Facebook from my
Oh.
phone
Oh.
from February this month.
Oh.
So I don't have to go through that.
Okay.
And I would recommend, like, I still have it on my iPad. So I do it, but I
जब
do
कभी
it in a
कभार,
focused manner.
हाँ.
Like, I know what I want to accomplish out of that, not just you know
Scrolling for the
scrolling
fun of
through.
it,
So
yeah.
that is one thing, you know, to bring your mind
Okay,
together. Firstly, दूसरी चीज जो मुझे लगता है, इट्स गुड टू राइट डाउन योर ड्रीम लिस्ट. यू नो, जैसे बकेट लिस्ट लोग कहते हैं, मैं तो कहती हूँ आराम से अपने आप के साथ बैठो. जैसे दिलजीत दोसांझ की पीछे वीडियो नहीं आई थी, अपने आप के साथ बैठो, आपको सारे आंसर्स मिलेंगे. मुझे भी ऐसी लगता है
Okay.
कि आप अपने आप के साथ बैठो, आपको जो करना है, वाइल्डेस्ट टू वाइल्डेस्ट इमेजिनेशंस, उन सबको पेपर पे लिख दो कि मुझे फोर्ब्स पे जाना है, मुझे यूनाइटेड नेशंस में जाना है, मुझे ऐसे इंसान के साथ शादी करनी है, मुझे इतने पैसे कमाने हैं, मुझे इतने फॉलोअर्स चाहिए,
लिख
मुझे
के हो जाएगा.
नहीं.
Okay.
नहीं. ये स्टेप 0 है.
Okay. Fair.
पूरी कुकिंग प्रोसेस का.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
That's right.
हाँ. So you write down basically whatever.
ठीक है.
नेक्स्ट इज, जो भी आपने 100 चीजों की लिस्ट बना दी ना, उन सबको आप नंबरिंग कर दो इन टर्म्स ऑफ इट्स इम्पोर्टेंस, प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे. ये फिर ये फिर ये फिर ये फिर ये.
ठीक है.
देन उसमें जो भी आपका नंबर 1 आएगा ना, उस पे फोकस.
ओके.
सो दैट
वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट.
हाँ.
Okay.
So that at least there's clarity. बहुत बार क्या होता है, when if I am just keeping my dreams in my mind and not on paper, तो ना I'll be working on something and दूसरा सपना आके भटकाने लग जाएगा कि अरे मेरे पे भी तो ध्यान दो, मेरे पे भी तो ध्यान दो. But if I put it on paper, तो I can say कि अरे यार तुम भी लाइन में हो, पर इसके बाद ये आएगा और इसके बाद ये आएगा और इसके बाद ये आएगा. So it's being addressed, but in a it's in a
Systematic
logical manner.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you
yeah.
know कि okay, this is how I'm going to spend my energy on that.
Fair.
So this is step 1.
Okay.
And then step 2 comes on, say for example, I want to work on my health.
Yeah.
My number 1 dream today is I want to work on my health. I want to work on शुक्राना, की शुक्राना 1 करोड़ लोगों की लाइफ के अंदर पहुंचे. ठीक है. So if this is my one dream right now, so my next step will be, क्यों चाहिए?
Okay.
Like,
question it.
Why?
Okay.
Is it because somebody else is doing brilliant in it, so I want to do it? Yeah. Is it because, why? So have at least 10 whys to your dream.
Okay.
कि
Okay.
मतलब, so it will kind of test the waters. कि
Okay.
मुझे शादी करनी है. Like, when I was to get married, my parents got me through all kinds of matrimonials, and I just asked the guy, क्यों करनी है शादी? And they'd be like, हक्का बक्का कि यार ये क्या बोल रही है? सब करते हैं शादी.
ये कैसा क्वेश्चन
हाँ,
है?
but I was simple. क्यों करनी है? क्यों करना चाहते हो?
Purpose is more important.
Why do you want it?
Yeah.
Like, नहीं सब करते हैं, इसलिए करनी
Age
है.
हो गई है.
Age हो गई. That's not a good enough reason to do it.
Yeah.
I mean, so I asked myself that question, क्यों करनी है? And then I was like, okay, this, okay, हाँ, अच्छा लग रहा है. अच्छा,
आपके प्रायोरिटी नंबर 1 पे क्या है अभी?
अभी actually मेरे 2 चल रहे हैं डावाडोलू में, but I have to choose. One is my health, and one is I want to have शुक्राना practices be available in the lives of 1 crore people. अभी 1 crore है, बाद में 100 crore हो जाएगा, but you know, you go step by step.
And उसका एक वाई क्या होगा?
So मेरा वाई ये रहेगा. Firstly, मेरे को लगता है मेरे जीवन में बहुत फायदा हुआ, and I know a very logical systematic approach of what you can do.
Yeah.
तो मुझे पता है कोई भी इंसान अगर इसको करेगा, वो इसको करने के बाद बोलेगा यार लाइफ तो कितनी आसान थी, मैं फालतू में धक्के क्यों खा रहा था. So firstly this.
Okay.
Secondly, मुझे अपना नाम भी चाहिए.
Okay.
Like I want to be remembered यार. एक जिंदगी मिली है इस दुनिया के अंदर, तो I
100%.
want कि इस लड़की ने कुछ ऐसा काम किया जो
She left
सचमुच
a mark.
left a mark and made a positive difference in the lives of people.
Yeah.
Second,
Yeah.
third difference for this would be मैं मतलब थोड़ा नेशनल लेवल पे काम करना चाहती हूँ, थोड़े आई वांट टू रिप्रेजेंट इंडिया बिकॉज ऑफ द वर्क आई एम डूइंग. तो
Okay.
एक लाइफ मिली है, सो ऐसे करते करते करते
Very
आई
good.
हैव मोर
Very good. Very good.
रिवाइज फॉर दैट.
अभी जैसे मैंने I said something that you busted and said no, I would like to correct you on that. वैसे और कौन सा एक ऐसा manifestation का myth है which people come with you and you tell them no, this is a myth completely. Like I said that लिख के हो जाएगा, that's not true, right? ऐसा और क्या एक myth है अगर आप कोई
एक
सोच
नहीं,
सकते हो?
बहुत सारे हैं.
एक कोई बहुत बड़ा ऐसा myth.
सो आई फील रील्स देखकर
हम्म
आधी अधूरी नॉलेज पाकर,
हम्म
आधे अधूरे 1 घंटे का कुछ सुनकर
हम्म
आप मैनिफेस्टेशन के गुरु नहीं बन जाते हैं.
ओके
आधी अधूरी प्रैक्टिसेस कर कर
ट्रू
आप नहीं बोल सकते यस आई मैनिफेस्ट फॉर माई सेल्फ. यू
True.
डोंट.
या
देर इज अ, जैसे मैथ्स की एनसीईआरटी होती है ना, ये पूरी गाइड बुक इज लाइक दैट. इसको आप जितना डीप प्रैक्टिस करते जाओगे उतना ज्यादा इसके अंदर राज छुपे
you know
होते
what
हैं.
I have felt many a times when I am manifesting something intentionally ना वो मेरे को लगता है नहीं होता, but when I'm manifesting something very unintentionally वो मेरे को लगता है हो जाता है. जैसे like I'm doing podcasting right now and if I want to do a podcast with a certain guest, but I don't actively work towards it or do it, but I'm doing my work very diligently.
Yeah.
So unconsciously I want to work with those people and somehow I'll get connected to them. But when I'm actively emailing them, reaching out to them, it's not happening.
There's a difference. Do you want me to
Okay.
tell you why?
Yeah.
So there's a very thin line with being excited, joyful, grateful, and
Yeah.
being desperate.
Yeah.
So I don't have a picture, but like there's a whole feeling chart if
Yeah.
you were to draw it.
Yeah.
So your manifestations are actually guided by your feelings, whether it'll come true or not come true.
Okay.
तो उसमें क्या रहता है कि आपके जो भी, अगर एक इमेजिनरी लाइन इमेजिन करो, इसके नीचे जैसे बोर्डम, एंगर, इरिटेशन, डिस्पेयर, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, फियर, वरी, अगर आप डेस्परेशन ऑल्सो, सो अगर इन सब में आप ऑपरेट करोगे, तो अगर मेरा सपना है कुछ भी कि मैं इस व्यक्ति से मिलूं, it'll not happen. The opposite of this will happen. But if I'm doing something ki I'm just being satisfied with where I'm at, satisfied, not contentment, satisfied, happy, joyful, excited, gratitude. So gratitude is the second highest positive frequency to be in. So I am actually magnetizing myself towards my dream.
What's the
Even if-
highest?
The highest is called love.
Oh,
But
okay.
love is not the boyfriend-girlfriend love, so I don't talk about that.
Okay.
So love is a place you reach when you're in a gratitude practice for a very, concentrated period of
Fair.
time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. The conversation is amazing. The energy is amazing. But this was just the general discussion segment with Miss Annie. Stay tuned, guys, because we are heading to the hot seat segment where I'm going to ask her some rapid fire like questions. Stay tuned. We'll see you in the next segment now. Welcome back. We are now in the hot seat segment where I'm gonna ask Annie ma'am some rapid fire like questions, and ma'am, you have to be quick and quirky with your answers, okay? It has to
Okay.
be rapid.
Okay.
So let's just start, okay? One ritual you turn to when your energy feels completely off.
Mirror work.
What is that?
Mirror के सामने अपने आप को positive
Wow.
affirmations बोलना, and just being honestly transparent with myself when in front of the mirror. It's
Okay.
magic for me.
Wow. The first moment you realized manifestation wasn't just theory and it actually worked for you.
This is called a bath ceremony I told you about, and then there are a lot to follow.
Okay. In your view, what's more damaging to your energy? Doubt from others or doubt from yourself?
Doubt from yourself for sure.
Okay. One piece of spiritual advice that's completely overused but still true.
Gratitude advice बोलो.
That's for you to say. देखो अश्विन मैम देख रही है.
चलो spiritual advice तो मुझे पता नहीं, मैंने उसमें ज्यादा कुछ पढ़ नहीं लिखा,
हाँ.
and it's such a big domain for me to
Okay.
comment on.
So gratitude
but
advice बता दो.
कि मुझे gratitude करना आता है,
Okay.
कि मैं grateful इंसान हूँ,
Okay.
नहीं हूँ.
Okay. Crystals, incense, sound baths. Has any of this worked for you ever, or is it just aesthetics?
I've never tried it.
Okay, fair. A belief about love you had in your early 20s that you've completely let go of now.
No, I'm living it. I'm living my teenage dream right now after marriage.
Okay, wow.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
One behavior pattern people don't even realize is pushing love or abundance away from them.
Complaining about small things, छोटी छोटी बातों पे खिंच जाना
Okay.
is what's small things कि जैसे
That's
parking क्यों
all
नहीं मिली.
negative energy, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
नेगेटिव एनर्जी तो बहुत वास्ट होता है बट आई पर्सनली फील जितने स्पेसिफिक होके पकड़ोगे ना उतना ज्यादा यू कैन डू समथिंग अबाउट इट.
Fair. Okay. Meditation or movement, what's your go-to when your nervous system is fried?
Movement, dance. I love dance.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I love to dance. Every day I try कि मैं अपना favorite गाना चलाऊं
What
शीशे
genre?
के सामने. Every genre.
Yeah.
आप मेरे फोन में रैप म्यूजिक से लेके पुराने हिंदी म्यूजिक से लेके पंजाबी म्यूजिक सब पाओगे.
Fair. Okay. A spiritual red flag in healers or coaches that makes you walk away instantly.
Somebody that tries कि मतलब जो मुझे एक्सटर्नल डिपेंडेंसी पे करता है कि ये पहन लो, ये लगा लो, ये कर लो. क्यों? मेरे में सब कुछ है तो.
Okay. Fair. If your energy was a brand, what would its tagline be right now?
I've heard Annie the Angel.
Okay.
I'd like that.
Okay, fair. And the last question for this segment. What's one belief you used to swear by but recently outgrew because it was holding you back?
Recently. कि पैसे कमाना बुरी बात होती है.
That was holding you back?
Yeah.
But, एक second, that was your belief?
I mean, it wasn't so much so because I've heard a lot of people say कि it's good.
Yeah.
But अंदर से कुछ hitch था. I don't know why, but कुछ hitch था. I don't know why. मतलब my mom's very positive, my dad's very positive, everybody's very positive. I don't even know where I took it that from. But I don't know. Or it could also be that I'm capable of everything. I don't know. I've got multiple beliefs that I think I am ongoingly trying to create new positive ones instead.
Okay.
So
Because we are going to talk about money and abundance and finance now in the
Yeah.
next segment. So stay tuned, guys. We'll catch you in the Finance 101 segment now. Stay tuned. Welcome back. We are now in the Finance 101 segment where I'm going to ask Miss Annie some questions related to financial abundance and money matters. So let's see how much we can gather from her experience and knowledge. First of all, ma'am, I just want to take up the topic from the hot seat segment, which was I also personally sometimes feel that financial guilt, and a lot of people in my generation are going through that, which is if I'm not working too hard or struggling too much for it, I don't deserve to earn it.
Yeah.
Because we have seen our parents work so hard to earn even 1 rupee, but for us maybe it's not that hard.
Yeah.
So that financial guilt comes in, and I sometimes feel scared or like shy to ask people for money and quote them prices, things like that.
Yeah.
Can gratitude, can spiritualism help me in this domain somehow?
So firstly, I would suggest or say for that matter, taking both the questions parallelly, जो मैंने बोला ना was that there's always a threshold. Like say for example, I'm earning this much money and I'm comfortable with it. But if I want to level up to this, I have to firstly ask myself, जो मैंने mirror work में बोला, do I feel myself deserving of this money if I'm here? And then if I've reached here, I'm at here and here and here and here and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
So this is when I said कि अच्छा ठीक है, मैं अगर even if I'm earning from a very young age, so there's always a level up that lies ahead, you know.
Yeah.
So first this.
Yeah.
Secondly, the financial guilt that you talked about, I understand, like our parents had to work hard for the basic necessities.
Yeah.
And भगवान ने हमें इतना दिया, हम क्या करें, आपके बच्चे बने हैं
Exactly. Yeah.
कि you've taken, भगवान ने घर
We
दे
are
दिया है,
privileged. Yeah.
भगवान ने गाड़ी दे दी है,
Yeah.
भगवान जी ने वो सब कुछ दे दिया है. तो I personally feel, देखो, the reason also why I'm, देखो, अगर मेरे को वो सब नहीं देना होता तो मुझे किसी और के घर पे पैदा करते ना.
Fair.
I mean, if we say that nothing in this world happens by chance, then why do I have the parents that I have? I could have been born to a rickshawala's family, right? Where I would have had to struggle for my education. I would have had to really, and that would have been the purpose of my life. But acha hai. But if I understand, कि अच्छा ठीक है, I'm here. So it's like I am at a certain level. Now I need to really ask myself, now how do I want my life to look? Now where do I want to reach? And now this might be more difficult because we're already at a comfortable stage. You know, we already have that cushion. But
Yeah.
now I have to really push myself. क्योंकि मैंने अपनी आंखों में ऑब्जर्व करा है, नजरों में, कि सेल्फ वर्दीनेस जो अपनी नजरों में आती है ना, इट्स नॉट अबाउट अदर्स एट ऑल, बट खुद की नजरों में वो कुछ है मीठा मीठा जो मिलता है जब खुद की मेहनत से, यू नो, इट्स लाइक यू सेट आउट अ टास्क and you accomplish it, so you feel like a success. And then you set out another task and you accomplish that, whatever. So I feel this guilt की कोई बात नहीं है, provided you create a game for yourself. I think being playful is important.
Okay.
Many times people say यार मेरे को बहुत सारे पैसे चाहिए, or I want to be very rich, or I want to be a millionaire, or I want to buy this or buy that. I always feel it's nice to create games around it. कि क्रिएट अ 3 month गेम, कि अच्छा आज मैं 100 रुपए कमा रही हूँ, 3 महीने बाद मैं 150 कमाऊंगी या 200 कमाऊंगी. अच्छा वो 3 महीने में अब सक्सेस हुई नहीं हुई बात की बात है, बट देन उस 3 महीने के बाद क्रिएट द नेक्स्ट 3 month गेम. सो आई थिंक क्रिएटिंग अ गेम अराउंड इट, सो इट्स लाइक आई डोंट थिंक if Virat Kohli loses a game, he'll feel guilt. I mean, he will, but then he goes, you know, stands back up again.
So, what I like to call you is a Gen Z spiritualist. So, if I may, as a Gen Z spiritualist, what does financial abundance mean to you? Like, is it just a lot of money, or is it something else also?
So money is not really my motivating factor.
Okay.
I mean, I love you, money, if you're hearing this. I love you.
Me too.
Money is amazing.
Me
I
too.
don't mean it any other way. But
Yeah.
but मेरे को ज्यादा motivating जो लगता है is about making a difference.
Okay.
I mean, if I was to choose between 100 crore rupees in my bank account,
Yeah.
or 100 crore people smiling and living a grateful life, I'll choose the second option.
Okay.
For sure.
Okay. So
So,
that's abundance for you.
That's abundance for me.
Okay.
So it's like different people have different definitions, you know, and this is just how I've been. वही होता है जो आपको छोटी उम्र में आप करने लग जाते हो ना, तो आपका जिंदगी को देखने का नजरिया ही वैसे बन जाता है. तो मुझे बचपन से ही मम्मी ने ऐसी चीजों में डाल दिया, तो मुझे लगता है इसलिए आज थोड़ी बड़ी भी हो गई हूँ, तो मेरे लिए पैरामीटर ऑफ सक्सेस अपने आप को नापने का ही ये है कि तुमने कितने लोगों के साथ कुछ भला किया, कितने लोगों की मदद करी.
But
kind of
that's
like
a
that.
really nice parameter to have in that sense. But one question I had that I even asked Ashmeen ma'am in the podcast, but I want to know your view on it. So, is there some way we can manifest money as abundance without actually chasing it or feeling that financial guilt? Like, let's say, for example, I don't want to ask people to give me money, but I just want it. ऐसा कोई तरीका है?
हाँ, तो all the respected viewers देखिए.
Yeah.
हाँ, so yes, money is also one of the energies that we talk about in the magic book practice that we do.
Yeah.
Just how you manifest ideal health for yourself, ideal
Yeah.
relationships, so do you do with money.
Yeah.
And firstly, the same question comes up कि कितना पैसा चाहिए और क्यों चाहिए.
Yeah, yeah.
So the क्यों
आश्मीन
is
मैम ने
important.
भी यही बताया था that ऐसे आप कोई रेस्टोरेंट जाके कुछ भी ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकते और वेटर से एक्सपेक्ट करोगे वो ले आएगा, right? So you have to know what and why.
हाँ. And if it's a justified need, it'll come to you like magic. You will be amazed how everything will turn out. So one thing that I want to add, so a lot of like just to, you know, कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, वो अपने मैजिक चेक्स बना लेते हैं या अपने आप को पता नहीं कौन से पेन से लिखना शुरू कर देते हैं, इतने पैसे के लिए थैंक यू, पैसे के लिए. आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स इनफ, बिकॉज साथ में आई डोंट नो इफ मॉम टोल्ड दैट, बट ग्रैटिट्यूड ऐड करना बहुत जरूरी है. कि आप मांगी जा रहे हो कि ये दे दो, बट भैया कुछ तो आपको भी देना पड़ेगा. तो this is where, I mean, you'll do the book when you'll do the book, but to put the practices, you know, so you can do it straight away, is पास्ट में जब जब आपके ऊपर पैसा खर्चा है, जैसे आपने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया,
हम्म
आपने पूरी अरेंजमेंट्स करी, आपके
हम्म
पैसे लगे हैं,
हम्म
नहीं हैव दिस ब्यूटीफुल ऑफिस,
हम्म
so it's my responsibility to thank you for the money you've spent on all of this
okay
because I'm enjoying it for free.
okay
So all the times when somebody else has paid money for you, you
हम्म
have to janbujh ke say thank you,
okay
whether it's from bachpan or even now.
okay
Like I got a bottle of water for free, so I need to purposely say thank you for that.
okay
कि अच्छा 10 रुपए की बॉटल आई थी तो उसके लिए थैंक यू, है ना, बचपन में पापा ने पढ़ाया लिखाया. एवरीथिंग नीड्स टू बी अलग 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 अलग, जितने लंबे मैं उसके ग्रेटिट्यूड्स करूंगी. सो दैट इज व्हाट विल इंश्योर या तो मेरे मनी वाले सपने पूरे होंगे या नहीं होंगे.
okay
सो फर्स्टली दिस, एंड देन सेकेंडली, जैसे मैंने बोला ना, छोटी छोटी बातों पे खिंच जाते हैं. अब अगर खिंचना नहीं है, अब जैसे खर्चा करते हैं तो खिंचना तो नॉर्मल होता है ना, तो क्या करें. तो उसके अंदर anytime you're paying out a money, you have to make an expense. तो उसके लिए भी if you've been able to pay, तो साथ में थैंक यू जरूर जोड़ दो. थैंक यू
okay
पेड, कि
okay
चलो थैंक यू, मैंने पार्किंग वाले भैया को 20 रुपए दिए क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरी गाड़ी लगा दी.
okay
सो दैट इवन जहाँ पे कुछ कंप्लेंट निकल सकती थी, आपने उसको भी ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया.
okay
सो वंस यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस, कि आपको किसी और ने आपके पैसे दिए तो थैंक यू, आपने अपने पैसे दिए तो थैंक यू, ऑफ कोर्स आपको अगर किसी ने पैसे दिए, लाइक यू रिसीव्ड मनी, तो भी थैंक यू. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट काइंड ऑफ जॉइनिंग ऑल दीज डॉट्स एंड सबको थैंक यू की सुपर पावर से आप करते रहोगे, that's when you'll be ready. Now whatever you visualize, whatever vision board you make, ये वो जिसके लिए भी पैसे चाहिए, now that'll really start happening.
आपने बोला जब पैसे की नीड होती है and you manifest it and then you are thankful for it, it will come.
Yeah,
मेरे को अगर नीड नहीं है बट मेरे को फिर भी पैसे चाहिए तो क्या करूं?
it'll not come.
It won't come.
Need
But
बनाओ, शौक बनाओ.
I have big dreams. Let's say I want a Rolls Royce. Can I manifest it even though I don't need a Rolls Royce? I want it.
आप बताओ.
I really want it.
No, but you need it. Why do you need
I don't
it?
actually need it because
Why do you need a Rolls Royce on a Delhi road? Tell me that. 10 reasons.
Because it's my dream car. Like I want to get out of a Rolls Royce and feel like someone.
Where?
In the best of restaurants.
What restaurant?
I don't know. I don't want to take names of brands.
Take anyone.
They'll get free marketing. I'm not giving
हाँ,
them
तो
that.
देखा, जैसे आप सब लोगों ने देखा ना, इनके पास कोई आंसर नहीं था. यही सेम क्वेश्चन आप सबने अपने साथ करना है, और अगर आप भी इस प्रकार चुप हो जाएंगे तो एक नया सपना सोचिएगा.
Okay, so I basically have to come up with the whys.
Yeah.
That's what's lacking right
Yeah, I mean, and unless you do what and why, there's no step 3 or step 4.
now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move the conversation to.
But one thing I want to add:
Hmm.
many times people don't have clarity also.
Hmm.
Like I've asked so many young people what you want, and they're like, and either they'll say something that their friend has. Either they'll look around, हाँ उसका बढ़िया है, मेरे को भी यही चाहिए, हाँ देखो इसको इतना प्यार मिल रहा है, चल मैं भी यही कर लेती हूँ, मुझे भी प्यार मिल जाएगा. अरे उसका बॉयफ्रेंड इतना बढ़िया है, वो इतनी बढ़िया है, चल मैं भी ऐसे कुछ कर लेती हूँ, ये कर लेती हूँ, वो कर लेती हूँ, मेरा भी वैसा बॉयफ्रेंड बन जाएगा. That doesn't work.
Okay.
So what I would recommend for that is, दिन में 1 घंटा फोन वोन सब छोड़ डालो यार. मतलब और कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा, जो मैजिक बुक है उसको लिखना स्टार्ट करो. अगर अभी आपको जीरो आइडिया है ना कि मेरे सपने क्या है, मतलब कुछ अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा फिलहाल, जस्ट स्टार्ट राइटिंग योर ब्लेसिंग्स. आप अगर अपने आप को एग्जिस्टिंगली भी पॉजिटिव माइंड फ्रेम में बनाना स्टार्ट कर दो कि आज मेरे साथ दिन में क्या क्या बढ़िया हुआ, उसका लिखना स्टार्ट कर दो. कि आई एम थैंकफुल टू दिस सोफा बिकॉज हम आराम से बैठ पा रहे हैं, आई एम थैंकफुल टू दिस माइक, मेरी आवाज बढ़िया जा पा रही है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. दिन के मिनिमम 10 ग्रेटिट्यूड लिखने स्टार्ट करो, सुबह 10 रात में अगर लिख पाओ तो आपका ना दिमाग खुद ब खुद प्रोडक्टिवली चलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा.
Okay.
अभी जो कुछ भी चल रहा है ना, मे और मे नॉट बी काम का, आप ये भी करने लग जाओगे ना, विद इन सम डेज आप हैरान हो जाओगे यार. आप अपने ब्रश कर रहे हो और एकदम से दिमाग में आइडिया आएगा, अरे मुझे तो ये चाहिए.
Okay.
So this is kind of like a pre-preparation you can do before you start this assignment, so that you'll also start connecting. And कोई बात नहीं, I mean, I remember the first time I wrote, I still write dreams that don't make sense, and then I realized, यार क्यों लिखा मैंने ये, and then it's fine, it's okay as long as I'm playing the game around it and I'm doing it joyfully. So
Fair.
good to go.
Now I wanted to take the conversation to the opposite side. Okay, there are a lot of people in our generation, the Gen Z, that are actually very against the hustle culture. They're like, why should we struggle so much to earn a buck? Okay, I want to live the soft life, is what they call it. Now, ये soft life वाला जो concept है, जिसमें they want luxury, health, wealth, abundance, happiness, but don't want to work too much for it. इन लोगों के लिए कभी काम कर सकता है मैनिफेस्टेशन?
So, I remember मैंने ना एक मैस्लोज हायरार्की पढ़ा था
या
स्कूल के
या
अंदर,
या
जहाँ पे वो बीच में आती है बेसिक नीड्स,
नीड,
खाना पीना, देन
सेफ्टी
सेल्फ
नीड,
एस्टीम आता है, सेफ्टी आता है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा.
या
टॉप पे आता है सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन.
या
You could be in the biggest of car, you
हम्म
could be living in the biggest of house, you could be living in all of that,
हम्म
but आपका experience
हम्म
about yourself would be
हम्म
so खोखला.
हम्म
खोखला means empty.
हम्म
कि यार मैंने तो कुछ करा ही नहीं.
हम्म
And now in front of everybody you would be the coolest person,
हम्म
but if you were left alone,
हम्म
you can't sit with yourself.
यू आर नॉट प्राउड ऑफ योरसेल्फ.
Proud का तो पता नहीं, but you can't sit with yourself.
ओके.
Like आपने देखा नहीं है आज, मतलब मैं आपको, I was talking to this fellow person, I'm like, मैं ना कुछ समय ना बिना फोन के ऐसे वॉक पे जाती हूँ. कहता है यार बिना वॉक के कैसे जा सकते हो? I can't stand with my own thoughts about myself.
हाँ.
Like you get into such a spiral down. Because यहाँ पे हम जो ask, believe, receive होता है, second step is believe before receive. अगर आपका believe को हिंदी में भरोसा कहते हैं, अगर आपका अपने ऊपर ही भरोसा नहीं है कि मैं अपने बलबूते से कुछ कर सकती हूँ, कि मेरे अंदर इतना दम है, what am I saying? If I am not doing anything myself, what am I saying? कोई बाहर से दे देगा तो मैं ले लूंगा. Like, am I a beggar? And if my belief is that I'm a beggar, so my everything of life will be similar to of a beggar, right? But if I want to be rich, my experience of myself should be of richness. So I think that's a big question mark, you know. It can't. आपका
That's-
belief ही नहीं होएगा तो receive कहाँ से करोगे?
That's a very deep thought, and like I think काफी लोग अभी intense.
I mean, I don't mean to, you know, I don't mean to trigger anyone. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
मुझे अपने
No,
बारे
but
में
that is very true, and it makes sense because sometimes I also sit with myself. I love sitting with myself and just thinking, planning for the future, thinking about and learning from my mistakes that I made in the past. But sometimes I just feel like, am I doing enough? Or, you know, वो spiral वाला effect आ जाता है मेरे
I
अंदर.
think ये मेरे साथ भी होते हैं. मैं 1 घंटा खाली बैठ जाऊं, मुझे लगता है हवेली तो होता है. So this is where gratitude, you know, you have to consciously put your, देखो डाउनहिल जाना आसान होता है, अपहिल पकड़ के लाना पड़ता है अपने आप को, and it's an ongoing practice. You can never reach the, you know, this is a mountain with no peak. You'll never say बस हो गया. जब तक लाइफ में है ये चलता रहेगा.
Once you don't have anything to look forward to, then there's no purpose of living life, is what I feel. So there should always be
Something to look forward. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Exactly.
It could be smallest of things. यार लोगों को ना एक और मिसकंसेप्शन है.
क्या?
सपने का मतलब होता है रोल्स रॉयस.
यार मैंने गलत एग्जांपल दे दिया.
नहीं, लाइक सपना इज नॉट जस्ट कि यार मेरा इतना बड़ा विला होगा ये. अरे बाबा, सपना तो इतना भी हो सकता है कि दोस्तों से बात करे बहुत टाइम हो गया, स्कूल के दोस्तों से बात करे इतनी टाइम हो गया, यार दोस्तों के साथ मिलने चली जाऊं, या मेरे को जिम गए 3 महीने हो गए, यार आई माइट एज वेल स्टार्ट
But
हिटिंग
you
माय जिम
never,
अगेन.
but this is what I was saying. You never actively manifest for small wishes like these. But when you're doing it subconsciously or unknowingly, it gets manifested somehow.
So it's good. You start where you start. See,
Yeah.
you don't get into 10th class from nursery directly. No, you
Yeah.
take step by step, and
Yeah.
it's fine. You get into the micro detailing as in how you go about it, but you
Yeah.
start where you at.
Fair?
So
Fair.
it's good.
And to end this segment, one last piece of advice for a youngster specifically, जिसके लाइफ में मनी इनफ्लो हो ही नहीं पा रहा है, even though they are working very hard, they're trying their best, but money flow is just not happening for them. What should they do in terms of gratitude or spiritualism?
अगर हो सके तो अपने बचपन की कोई फोटोज निकालो, अपने बर्थडे पार्टी की, कोई वेकेशंस की, किसी भी जगह पे आपके माता पिता आपको लेके गए हैं, फोटोज निकाल लो. वहां पे देखो एक एक चीज जो आपके पापा ने, आपके दादू ने, जिसने भी आपके ऊपर खर्ची है, एवरी डे स्टार्ट राइटिंग मिनिमम। देखो आपको अगर जोर से पैसे चाहिए, मैं वो वाला बता रही हूँ, ठीक है? तो
जोर से
अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा जल्दी पैसे चाहिए, स्टार्ट राइटिंग 100 ग्रेटिट्यूड्स एवरी डे। इसका फॉर्मेट रहेगा, फॉर्मेट को प्लीज साथ में मतलब फॉलो कीजिएगा। आई एम थैंकफुल टू माई पापा फॉर द मनी फॉर एंड देन डैश। एग्जाम्पल मैं 3-4 बता देती हूँ ताकि आप जेनरिकली ना लिखे, स्पेसिफिकली लिखे। लाइक आई एम थैंकफुल टू पापा फॉर द मनी फॉर आवर आगरा ट्रिप बिकॉज आपने स्कॉडा गाड़ी खरीदी जिसके अंदर हम वहां पे पहुंच पाए। आई एम थैंकफुल टू पापा फॉर द मनी फॉर आवर आगरा ट्रिप बिकॉज आपने डीजल भरवाया गाड़ी में जिस वजह से हम बहुत आसानी से पहुंच पाए। आई एम थैंकफुल टू पापा फॉर द मनी फॉर आवर आगरा ट्रिप बिकॉज आपने वहां पे रास्ते में हम लंच करने रुके तो आपने मुझे वहां पे जो भी खाना खिलाया, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, बट खाना खिलाया। So similarly, so I'm thankful to Papa for the
इतना
money.
स्पेसिफिक।
So I'm telling you, it's a recipe.
Okay.
You can't just say ha, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's a science,
Yeah.
and you have to logically do it for it to work.
Okay.
So it's an education, you know. It's that's why we have it, शुक्राना, gratitude, education. वरना
Yeah.
लोग चलते फिरते टहलते हुए सोचते हैं अरे मेरी तो मैजिक नहीं हो रहा, मैं तो इतना थैंक यू कर रही हूँ।
Yeah.
तो स्कूल की तरह पढ़ो ना इसको।
Fair.
सो
Fair.
एंड you do it for 15 days। 100 gratitude अगर आपने डेली लिख दिए ना, पक्का। और आपको बस पता है आपको कितने पैसे चाहिए, एंड देन कमेंट्स में बता देना आपके पास अगर पैसे आने स्टार्ट हो गए तो।
100% do it.
Yeah.
Comment करना मत भूलना बस.
Yes.
But yeah, this was a finance 101 segment. So informative, and ma'am, thank you for those examples. मेरे को भी उससे बहुत कुछ समझ आया that कितना specific होना पड़ता है. So, but now we're heading to my favorite segment, which is the curiosity gap, where I have brought in topics where I will try to bring my childish questions, those curious questions which will pick your brains, and you'll have to be like, कैसे सवाल पूछ रहा है, but still answer it. So let's head to that segment now. Stay tuned, guys. We'll catch you in the next segment. Welcome back. We are now in the Curiosity Gap segment where I have brought in some curious topics that will leave you guys also a little more curious, and maybe my curiosity becomes a little more satisfied with ma'am's answers. My first topic, ma'am, is the magnetic shift. बहुत heavy topic नाम सोचा है मैंने, but इसका मतलब ये है that when we say manifestation, when we say law of attraction, we are basically saying become a magnet, right?
Yeah.
So how do I shift my aura, my energy, my personality to become very magnetic? Is it through confidence? Is it through some practices? What can I do to become very magnetic in life?
So gratitude practices.
Gratitude
practices sounds like हाँ बस thank you बोलना है, but नहीं, it's like how many hours? It's like विराट कोहली जितना समय प्रैक्टिस करते होंगे एंड एक गली क्रिकेट वाला लड़का जितना समय खेलता होगा, दोनों में फर्क है ना। He'll just go out and play. वो सुबह 4 बजे पहुंच रहे हैं खेलने, खेल तो दोनों क्रिकेट रहे हैं, तो सेम टू सेम फंडा इसमें अप्लाई होता है।
Okay.
आप जितना ज्यादा ध्यान से, फोकस से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, वन थिंग दैट आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इज, जो गलती बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं, they try to get too much knowledge. They're everywhere,
Yeah,
and they're
but
trying to
nowhere.
find a quick fix. They're trying यार कुछ जल्दी हो जाए, जल्दी हो जाए, जल्दी हो जाए. So it's like, you're expanding your mind horizontally.
Yeah.
I don't think that works.
Okay.
अगर आपको गोल्ड फाइंड करना है, सोना आप ढूंढने जाएंगे, you have to dig deep vertically.
In one spot.
At one spot.
Yeah.
So you take one field and then you go to the depths of it and you find gold.
Okay.
सेम इज विद एनी फील्ड। कुछ भी पकड़ लो बट उसको लग के एक ही जगह पे जाओ, वो आपको आपकी लाइफ में अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स देगा ही देगा। फॉर मी दैट्स ग्रेटिट्यूड। सो this is one thing that I definitely want to recommend. And as for the magnetic field you talked about, I would say give everything to it. I mean, in my life I've experienced small magics and big magics. Small magics are the ones you said जो चलते फिरते हो जाते हैं, उसके लिए मैं छोटे छोटे gratitudes कर लूंगी तो बढ़िया हो जाएगा। The big magics, like the recent one of how I'm like my marriage, I made a list of 100 things I wanted in my husband. All of them have come true and more.
Okay.
because I did the digging deep wala gratitude, like,
Yeah.
luck ke concentratedly. So I
Yeah.
think doing that will make you a magnet. Just doing the magic book, I feel, if you just do it the way it's designed and keep on doing it, not like ek baar kar li, ab kahani khatam,
Hmm.
you will not be the same person you were.
आपके perspective में being a magnetic person is what? How do you define a magnetic person, let's say? What is your definition of it?
Things that you like will automatically start flowing to you.
Okay.
Like,
Do
for
you feel
example,
like you are a magnetic person?
you reached out to me.
Yeah.
Are you on this podcast?
You
And
wanted to be on this
हाँ
podcast?
मतलब I love this.
Yay!
I mean, I'm so glad. I'm like, yeah, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है. So, things that you want automatically start flowing your way.
Okay.
Everything. I mean,
Okay.
I wanted to work on my health, as I stated. I went to the gym after very long recently.
Hmm.
Out of nowhere, like I knew I wanted to get a PT. And the best PT in my gym automatically comes up to me and says, "Ma'am, I think I want to, do you want a session? I'd love to, have the trial one with you."
हाँ,
Like, सही है, बढ़िया है. मुझे तो हिचकिचाहट थी बात करने में, वो खुद ही
हाँ,
आगे बात
हाँ,
करने.
hmm.
आज तक तो नहीं किया है.
Okay.
So it's like things that you want
So you are a living
automatically.
example of how manifestation gratitude works.
Yeah, I mean, yesterday I was sleeping. My father-in-law knocks on our door. I'm like, हाँ जी, हम तो सोने जा रहे थे. कहते ये लो पैसे. I'm like, हाँ?
क्यों?
ले लो.
ले लो.
So मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैग्नेट क्या होता है?
ये कब मैनिफेस्ट किया तो उसी रात को?
नहीं यार, खुद ब खुद. So it's like, you become a magnet to good situations, good circumstances automatically coming to you.
Okay, nice,
Yeah.
nice. Let's move to the second topic. I think इतना जितना हमने discuss किया is enough to leave them curious.
Yes, absolutely.
That's the purpose of this
Have
segment.
them wanting more.
Yeah, just leave them curious और मेरी curiosity थोड़ा satiate हो जाए. Second topic is actually about love, relationships and marriage. ठीक है? Like I spoke to Ashmeen ma'am on the podcast where she said that when I asked her, can you manifest for someone else? And she said, she gave your example. She said, like, when my daughter wanted to get married, so I asked her, what do you want in your husband? Okay? She gave me a list. And then I also did some negotiation, removed 2-3 qualities, and then we came up with the list. And then I asked her, can I manifest for you? And
Yeah.
you said yes.
Yeah.
And then she said, okay, I'll manifest for you. And then it came true. But मेरे को रिलेशनशिप लव और इसमें ये जानना है कि जब ग्रैटिट्यूड हो, जब वो फीलिंग्स हो, आई लुक एट रिलेशनशिप्स इन 2 डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स. ठीक है, थोड़ा लंबा बोल रहा हूँ बट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट फ्रॉम माई पर्सपेक्टिव. एक होता है कार्मिक बॉन्ड इन माई पर्सपेक्टिव विच इज कर्मा, योर पास्ट एक्शंस गिविंग यू ईदर अ लेसन थ्रू दिस रिलेशनशिप और अ रिवॉर्ड. ठीक है. और एक होता है बहुत नेचुरल लव जो फॉरएवर लास्ट करेगा, जो आप को ऑटोमेटिकली यूनिवर्स प्रोवाइड करती है. तो मैं कार्मिक बॉन्ड से कैसे बचूं? क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है कार्मिक बॉन्ड पे यूजुअली तो आपको एक लेसन ही मिल रहा होता है. मैं कैसे अपने आप के लिए एक नेचुरल लविंग रिलेशनशिप मैनिफेस्ट करूं जैसे आपने अपने लिए
Are we
किया?
talking about marriages or relationships in general?
Relationships in general, because
Okay.
boyfriend girlfriend भी I want to
नहीं मतलब,
include.
are we talking couples or are we talking mom and kid also?
No, couples.
Couples. Okay,
Couples.
got it.
Yeah.
ठीक है. As for the karmic ones you talked about, see how they come in your life will be a second chapter, but first chapter is definitely like anybody who's come into your life. Anybody could be a love interest, could not be a love interest, could be a stranger on the road. Anybody. आपकी लाइफ में 2 रीजन से आए हैं. या तो आपको कुछ सिखाने आए हैं, या आपका उनके साथ थैंक यू ड्यू है.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it. That's all that is. And if you don't learn from it, you're just going to be in a repeat cycle.
Okay.
Like, and I think that's why a lot of people attract partners which are not good for them. I mean, if I have to actually
Yeah.
go back,
Yeah.
वो अपने सेम पैटर्न्स रिपीट करते हैं.
Yeah.
जो एक पार्टनर में नहीं वर्क किया, whether it's marriages, non-marriages, doesn't matter. But like I see a lot of my friends like, यार वो तुम तो अभी इससे रो के बाहर निकली थी, तुमने
Yeah.
दूसरा बना लिया, सेम बात पे रो रही हो, तुम
हाँ.
क्या मतलब, तुम कुछ सीख क्यों नहीं रही हो इससे?
Yeah.
So I think this is where learning from your mistakes is very important.
इसमें स्पिरिचुअलिज्म या ग्रैटिट्यूड का कोई रोल होता
Yes, yes.
है? ओके
So there's this chapter in the magic book called chapter 26, magically transform mistakes into blessings.
ओके
So if there's a mistake that has happened, like say for example, somebody broke my heart, ठीक है? एक तो है मैं रो पिटू, लड़के तो होते ही ऐसे हैं, खराब है, इन पे तो भरोसा ही नहीं करना चाहिए, आज की तो जनरेशन खराब है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा करके आप अपने शोल्डर से पल्ला झाड़ सकते हो कि मेरी गलती नहीं थी, उसकी गलती थी। उससे कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वो इंसान तो अगर फिर भी आपकी लाइफ से चला गया, आपने तो अपने एनर्जी लेवल पे कुछ नहीं बदला, तो उसी तरह के वाइब्रेशन के लोग आपके जीवन में अलग अलग शेप्स फॉर्म्स नेम में आने लग जाएंगे।
ओके
Now, what you need to do is you have to really sit down and say, okay, what did I learn out of this? Out of this whole scenario, situationship, whatever this was. And this needs to be done in a grateful manner. A lot of times people try to do it mentally. You can't. It's tough.
ओके
So you have to really sit down, as I said, be with yourself and just say, okay, now what can I learn for myself? What good happened, didn't good happen? And if you do that, like चलो and ये भी thankful कि I'm thankful I learned कि मुझे अपनी self respect बना के रखनी चाहिए. I'm thankful I learned अगर वो किसी और को message कर रहा है तो it's not good for me. Yeah, whatever it is, you know. I'm thankful I learned मुझे पहले ही इसको पकड़ लेना चाहिए था. Whatever it is that you want to learn, write it down. 10 सीख तो निकालो, learnings निकालो. And if you're learning ना, you will level up.
ओके
Then at least वो सेम लेवल के लोग नहीं आएंगे लाइफ में, कुछ नया होने वाला है. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग वो नया परफेक्ट होगा, बट उसमें जो गलती होगी उसको फिर से सीख लेना. इट्स लाइक आप कब तक नर्सरी क्लास में ही रहने वाले हो पूरी जिंदगी, कम से कम फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ सिक्स्थ तक
आपके लाइफ में भी ऐसे ही हुआ था? डिड यू
ऑफ कोर्स
और वाज योर मैरिज योर फर्स्ट?
No.
ओके यू लर्नड फ्रॉम योर रिलेशनशिप्स.
अरे बाबा
what was so different with the sir that you married him and not anyone else?
अरे there's a whole this segment is going to take time if you're ready
करते
for
हैं
it.
5 मिनट बात करते हैं इसके बारे में.
करते हैं ना. It's going to be very important. So it's not about boyfriends in the past or whatever. Even friends, like my female, I had a friend called Shreya.
Okay.
वो out of nowhere हम लोग बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे. 8th में वो छोड़ के चली गई. And I'm like, यार ये तो बहुत ही घटिया इंसान है, ऐसे कैसे छोड़ गई?
कहाँ चली गई?
फ्रेंडशिप टूट गई.
ओह अच्छा. Okay.
फ्रेंडशिप छोड़ के चली गई, जो भी रहा. So मैंने कहा यार ऐसे थोड़ा होना चाहिए, you know, and I hold on to it. Then I look around me, I see some film star, you know, not being good with their partner. I'm like, हाँ लड़के तो होते ही ऐसे हैं. So when I said हम छोटी छोटी बातों पे खिंच जाते हैं, this is the kind of खिंच. And I had so many reasons around me कि देखा लड़के ऐसे होते हैं, लड़के वैसे होते हैं, लड़के ऐसे होते हैं. Too many. And then what the magic book I learned when it came into my life was, अब हर एक complaint जो मैंने करी है ना, उसके मुझे 10 gratitude करने होंगे.
Okay.
So I had done around minimum 2000 complaints. So I was like, चलो 20,000 gratitude तो करने आने को. मैं किसी को डरा नहीं रही हूँ. मैं अभी देखो हम थोड़े समय हो गया करते करते, आप लोगों को करने की जरूरत नहीं है अभी. So I sat down and actually now when I was laser focused that अब बहुत हो गया, अब शादी करनी है, तो मैंने पास्ट में I made a list of all the men interaction I've had in my life. From my father to my grandparents to the driver to my male friends of school, of college, everything. Was about 450 names.
Okay.
I wrote all the names down, and then obviously I'd complained about a lot of them.
Okay.
I started writing gratitudes for them. Like sometimes I may have complained कि देखो पापा मम्मी के साथ, you know, sometimes you complain as a kid, ऐसे कैसे, या नहीं करते वो नहीं करते. तो I had to consciously sit down. मेरा अपने पापा के प्रति कैसा आउटलुक था as a husband is how my relationship. Now this is another chapter in itself which we'll not touch right now.
Okay.
But so yeah, once I got to that, I started writing my gratitudes, and I knew what I wanted and why I wanted it, as we shared today.
Yeah.
Me and my husband, we don't have a love marriage.
Okay.
He came into my life. How you brought up the topic of magnetic?
Yeah.
It was magic. Like I was just being, मेरे को पता था क्या क्यों etc, and I was being in gratitude, and literally out of nowhere, my mother-in-law was in my magic book session where we do this.
Oh.
My mother-in-law was my student.
Oh.
And surprisingly, she was playing my video उनके घर पे टीवी पे, and she started telling everyone, ये लड़की कितनी प्यारी है, मुझे अपनी बहू की तरह चाहिए.
Oh.
So while I was manifesting a partner,
she was manifesting you.
Oh. And surprisingly how it all happens. So I was like, हाँ ऐसी looks चाहिए, ऐसा, you know,
What were
सब
the top 3 qualities that you had
6
written
feet
down?
tall
Okay.
and foreigner जैसे होने चाहिए,
Okay.
loving, respectful and magic book करनी चाहिए.
Okay. That was also a
Yeah,
criteria.
I was clear मेरे को तो grateful family में
So
जाना
he
है.
was already into it.
No.
Oh, you got him into it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
If you listen to if you talk to his friends
हाँ जी.
and you ask what kind of person he was before marriage,
So you've changed him.
he's not the same person. I did not change anything, I'm telling you.
He changed for you.
No.
Then?
It just happened.
ये क्या हो रहा है?
जो आपने बोला ना, how do you become a magnet? It
Yeah.
happens.
Wow.
I mean, वो भी एक अलग चैप्टर है, उस बारे में कभी और टच करेंगे. But yeah, so how that happened, let me complete the mother-in-law story.
Yeah.
She started telling all her sisters कितनी प्यारी लड़की है, कितनी प्यारी लड़की, etc. And I was at Bangla Sahib Gurdwara. I was doing seva. I was going there to do seva. जो भी मतलब अपने आप को और ज्यादा gratitude energies में बनाने के लिए.
हाँ.
चलो मैं थी कर रही थी, तो we had a get together there कि
जी.
we all call all the members. तो वहाँ पे out of nowhere I was going and she comes up to me. My mother-in-law had also come.
Okay.
She's like, "Hi Annie," and I remembered her because उनकी वीडियो ऑन रहती थी. And कहती, बेटा आपने कहा था कि आप अपनी मैरिज मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो. Are you seeing someone? I was in a good mood. I'm like, no, I'm not. कहती, do you want to see my boy? And she immediately takes out her phone and shows me. And I start laughing. I'm like, इतना upfront तो कोई नहीं था.
Okay.
So I start laughing. I'm like, yeah, sure. We'll go out. We'll see what happens. Like that. So ठीक है, सब हंसी खेल में. And out of nowhere, गुरुद्वारे में भाईजी comes. And he hands over a chocolate to me. He hands over chocolate to her. And one Mumasi says, मुंह मीठा करो. So it's like, you know, a cue that the higher power gave to us कि मुंह मीठा कर लो. And I don't even know the guy. I've not even met the guy. I don't know anything of what he's about.
What was the first date like then?
So when we first met, so as soon as my mother-in-law reached home, later I got to know the story. Ishji was furious. He's like, how can you do something like this? How you didn't even ask me if she's my type, etc. Like etc. तो he was furious. कहते नहीं, पर मैंने तो सिर्फ बोल दिया, कोई नहीं तो देख लियो, ये वो. And later he called up his friend. And you know how male friends are, ऐसे हंसी मजाक में कुछ भी बोलते रहते, कोई सीरियस बातें तो करते नहीं है. तो उन्होंने उसको बताया कि यार ये ऐसे करके आ गई है मम्मी. तो उनका कहते हैं, मेरे दोस्त ने वैसे तो कभी काम की बात करता नहीं है, उस रात को उसने बोल दिया कि यार कोई बात नहीं, तू भी देख ले, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. कहते वो तो जब उसने मुझसे सीरियसली बात करी तो मेरे दिमाग में गया, यार कुछ होगा, देख लेता हूँ.
You call him Ishji.
I call him Ishji.
Wow, that's so cute.
Yeah, I think it's important to give respect consciously. Otherwise, in the day-to-day life.
But look at our generation right now. Like, I don't want to be mean to the women, but this feminism, women empowerment has been taken in such a negative and wrong way in so many people's minds that they have started disrespecting men and they think that they need to be treated look at cases in courts right now.
No
and
comment.
looking at you don't comment, but looking at you right now, it just makes me feel so good. Like there is hope in this.
That's why I said grateful marriages, you know.
Yeah.
Because it's a learnable thing and इसमें मेरा फायदा है. But we'll come to this when we come to this. So yeah, basically long story short, we got married and it's a magical life. Every single day, as I said, I'm living my teenage dream. Everything that I've dreamt of how I want to be with my boy. I didn't have a serious anything. You know, I was like mummy ki good girl. So I didn't make a lot of relationships or anything. So like wo wale. So I was like fine. But everything that I'd seen in songs, I'd seen in movies, I'd seen Ranbir Kapoor do with his actresses. I'm like, हाँ ऐसे ही लंबा लंबा लड़का चाहिए. I'm like, ठीक है, भगवान ने सब सपने पूरे कर दिए.
Wow. Amazing. Let's move to the third topic now. And I think ये वाला topic बहुत अच्छा था, right?
Yeah. Oh, this. So marriages and relationships are very close to my heart.
एक अलग से पूरा podcast अब marriage and relationships पे करेंगे.
Yeah, I'd love to have Ishji also over, you know, so you get the male perspective of this.
Yeah, we'll get him also on. Done. But the third and final topic and final everything for the podcast is breaking the energy cycles, how our generation, the Gen Z, is doing everything so differently from our parents and their generation, or even their parents, that we have completely broken the energy cycle, is what I like to call it. That we are choosing completely different career paths. Our perspective towards life is different. Our way of living is different. How does this impact our life personally if we don't follow the same energy cycle as our parents? Does spiritualism or gratitude have anything to say about this?
So my mom was a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup artist.
Yeah, you've broken the cycle, is
Yeah,
what I like
I
to
mean,
say.
it's not important to professionally do what your
100%.
parents did, you
100%.
know. I mean, my parents are married didn't necessarily mean I had to also be married.
Yeah.
Like my mother was very okay with the fact that Annie, do you know what you want to do? Or like she was okay with the idea. Ki, do you have any other plan in mind?
Mm.
I was like, no, I'd like to have this now, you know, I'm 25 or whatever.
Mm.
So that way. So firstly, career path में जो करना है करो, as long as you know what you want.
Yeah.
लाइफ में रिलेशनशिप्स में पैसे में जो करना है करो एज लॉन्ग एज यू रियली नो व्हाट यू वांट एंड नॉट आउट ऑफ यू नो बीइंग क्या कहते हैं उसे जो
Forced.
फोर्स नहीं जो रिबेल
Okay.
हाँ मतलब एज
Yeah.
लॉन्ग एज यू नॉट बीइंग अ रिबेल कि
Yeah.
मैं तो उनको दिखाऊंगा मैं ये
Hmm.
हूँ मैं वो हूँ
Hmm.
नॉट लाइक टू पुट इन देयर फेस
Hmm.
सो डोंट डू दैट
Hmm.
and I think if you're good. It's got nothing to do with that. But since you brought up energy,
Hmm.
so I had briefly mentioned about the kind of relationship I have
Yeah.
with my mummy and papa
Yeah.
will be the exact kind of workability or relationship in all areas, not like just relation, but money and everything also,
Okay.
career.
Okay.
उतनी ही वर्केबिलिटी मेरे उन सब एरियाज में भी आएगी.
Okay.
तो अगर मुझे आज लगता है कि यार मेरे ये कितने कंजूस हैं, ये देखो इन्होंने क्या ही करा या नहीं करा या जो भी करा, उतना ही मेरा अपने बारे में भी नजरिया होगा कि मैं भी इतना नहीं कर रही हूँ या मतलब आई कुड बी एट द पीक ऑफ एनीथिंग
Okay.
बट अंदर से खालीपन बहुत ज्यादा फील होगा.
Okay.
Like you'll not feel energetically charged
Okay.
about your experience of life.
Okay.
So I feel irrespective of whatever career path you choose, that's up to you. But जो मैंने ग्रेटिट्यूड बताया, अगर आप डेली 5 और 5 अपने मम्मी और पापा के भी लिख पाओ, that will give you a rocket boost like nothing else.
Hmm.
Like you'll feel so happy for no reason
Hmm.
that you'll just be like, wow.
Wow.
And I mean, if it's you would also like open up their photo with you, so that'll give you more feelings because this puri game mein feelings is the main game changer.
Mhm.
So when you start doing that,
Hmm.
you'll just be like on Sky 9 all the time, and then whatever you do will turn into gold. So
Okay. Wow. And the final question that I have is, Ashmeen ma'am must have given you a lot of teachings and learnings, or maybe you would have just taken it if she hasn't intentionally given it to you. What is that one learning that you chose to unlearn to go on this path in a unique manner?
so when you said I would have learned, yes,
Hmm.
whatever she has tried to unintentionally give to me, मेरा normally पता नहीं कि उसमें rebel निकल जाता है.
Huh.
मुझे क्या बता रहे हो?
Exactly.
So I think firstly intentionally trying to well, I know they mean good for me and I respect that. I love
Yeah.
that and I love you, Mama, if you're watching this. but
Yeah.
but at the same time it all comes down to मैं कितनी open हूँ learning के लिए.
Yeah.
So firstly this. Secondly, one thing that I want to unlearn is कि मुझे भी एक सर्टेन प्रकार का होना चाहिए या दिखना चाहिए अगर मुझे इतना हैंडसम हस्बैंड चाहिए. So I
Oh.
didn't have to be that way. I didn't
Okay.
have to, act a certain way in order to get that. I could be just myself and still live the life of my dreams.
You're perfect the way you are. Your
Yeah.
energy is so nice. I enjoyed so much on the podcast.
Likewise.
Thank you so much for coming here. Just before you go, like I told you, there's this Gen Z thing that you have to do. So if you could pick up those pair of shades
Sure.
and one lens pe write your name and the other lens just give it a nice signature and I'll put it up on my hall of shades once I make it.
That's so cool.
And एक बार करके उनको दिखा भी दो. The audience wants to see how cool you look in them.
Oh, wow.
Till then, I'll give my personal take. very different, very fresh compared to Ashmeen ma'am's podcast. That gave me sense of calmness, and this gave me a sense of excitedness and looking forward to spiritualism, gratitude. So thank you to Mrs. Annie for that. And अब हमारी बात हो गई है कैमरा पे, तो I won't edit this out. And she's getting Ish G also next time, and we're gonna do a three-way podcast. And yeah, so that's how Annie ma'am is looking in her shades.
Wait.
What are you writing?
I don't know.
Gratitude.
My signature and my name is same only. So I didn't know what to write on the other one.
Okay, yeah. See, that's how cool she's looking. Thank you so much for coming on the Adhiraj Sethi Circle. Just before you go, while wearing your shades, if you can tell them where to connect with
You
you.
want me to still wear this?
Yes, yes.
Yo.
If you can tell them where to connect with you, what's the best place to get in touch with you so that the viewers can contact you if they have anything.
Absolutely. Yo, so everybody who wants to make their life magical, अगर आप अपने जी so it's by the name of Shukrana Gratitude Education, and we are there on Instagram, on YouTube. YouTube पे आपको detailed sessions मिल जाएंगे, Insta पे reels मिल जाएंगे. My name is Annie Manjalkar Banda, and see you.
Yeah, and that's me, Adhiraj Sethi, signing out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You guys know the drill. See you in the next one.